That'll work, that'll work. Oh, of course. I'm the goddamn jump master again. Shit. What down there? Blue light special. Woo! Like the Kmart of fucking Apex. Woo! Got somebody on our ass. Bitch, bitch, ah, bitch. God damn it. I tried to hit him. He just manned up in a hole.
Charging shields.
That bitch. Fuck on me. Fuck on my people. Don't do that, motherfucker. Stab you in the back, bitch. Bitch. Gotcha. I am hurt. Didn't realize that. Ah.
I'll just leave it here.
Why don't you stick it in my mouth? You know you want to stick it in my mouth.
Let me know what you think of it. It's a grandpa.
I like them. Grandpa cookie, fuck you.
No, eat cheese.
I'm down.
Get around the side of this. I don't want them seeing me.
I'm down.
Attention, the kill leader has been eliminated. Attention, delivering message. Come too far to give up.
Oh, f it wouldn't change fast enough. I had that. Ah! They're like, don't look at me while I'm healing. So fucking close. If I had had a couple extra shots on him, I might have got it, but I was trying to change to my shotgun, and he just didn't get it switched over in time. Damn it! I'll be right back.